Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install TradingView on your Windows laptop or PC. If you want the desktop app instead of using TradingView in your browser, this is the correct way to install it. Let's get started. First, open your browser. It can be Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type tradingview.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official website of TradingView. Once you're on the home page, go to the top menu and click on More. From the drop-down, select Downloads, then click on Desktop Apps. You'll now be redirected to the download page. Here, click Download for Windows, and the installer file will begin downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If you see a Windows security prompt asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes. The installation process will start automatically. You won't need to change anything. Simply click Install and let it install. Once the installation is finished, TradingView will launch automatically. If it doesn't open, you can find it in your Start menu. Just search for TradingView and click on it. Now sign in with your TradingView account or create one if you don't already have it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed TradingView on your Windows laptop or PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.